Happy holiday, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we have a new recipe for you to try out, and it's an apple crumb pie. Guys, this recipe is so delicious. You should try it out. So let's get started. So the main ingredient in this recipe are the apples. So I had lots of apples and some were going bad, so I had to utilize them. So you can use the green apples or any type of apples that you have, but yes, the main ingredient in this recipe are apples. So you want to chop them up. Make sure you wash them first, of course. Chop them up into little cubes like this. Then add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, then a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of normal sugar. You can either use both brown or normal sugar. Then what you want to do next is to mix this up thoroughly. Mix this up to combine everything. You have to work fast to avoid the apples from turning black. So after you've combined everything, you set it aside or you cover it. Then let's work on the dry ingredients. So here we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, then a 1/4 cup of oats, then a 1/4 cup of sugar. Then you want to mix this thoroughly just to combine everything together. Then you take some melted butter and crumb this flour so that it can be able to mix up and combine perfectly. You have to do this with your hands so that you can feel the crumbs forming, because it's a crumb cake, so that's what you want to achieve. So make sure you get this part right and you will have crumbs like this. So this is basically flour and the butter that I've combined to form this crumb. So you want to put this on your baking tray and pat it gently so that it can form the base of our pie. Make sure you're gentle and make sure everything is well patted just to be compact enough. Then what you want to do is add in your apples. Add in your apples and then you just arrange them well on the base that you have. Then the next step you want to do is to add the remaining crumbs. We didn't add all the crumbs on the base, so the remaining crumbs you'll add them on top of the apples, just like you see here. Then you want to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown. So this is how it will look when it's done. The sugar from the apple has caramelized and given it a very golden color at the edges. The top is also golden brown in color and it's absolutely amazing, guys. You should try this out. You can drizzle some cream, some white chocolate, any frosting that you like on top of this for an extra flavor. But otherwise, it's so good and it's ready to have. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.